was the hippo?
Yes. Touch the rabbit.
Rabbit.
Baba. Rabbit. He's a rabbit.
Calvin, which one's the bunny? Touch the bunny.
That's it. Touch the blocks.
You see the blocks?
Papa.
That's a drum, I know.
Hey.
That's a horse. Where's the blocks?
You did it. Touch the drum.
Where's the drum?
You did it. Touch the duck.
Quack, quack.
Papa.
Calvin, are you playing on the iPad? Can you say iPad?
I'm the sunshine. Papa.
Say iPad.
Super.
Mommy,
Touch the
I am
bucket.
full.
Touch the bucket.
I am full.
Good job.
Touch the cups.
Mom,
Where's the
I am
cups?
full. Mommy, I am full.
You need 3 more big girl bites.
Okay. Did they count? You have to count.
Okay. Where are you supposed to be touching, Calvin? Here, push this button.
Touch the cups.
Touch the cups.
Super.
Good job.
Touch the pencil.
No, it's not. Oh.
That's
a noodle. You need to get lots
Touch
of noodles
the
on
rabbit.
there.
Phone.
That is a ball. That was not a big girl bite. Mommy said big girl bites.
Touch the rabbit.
They want you to touch the rabbit.
No.
Touch the
That
xylophone.
was a big old bite.
That was one
Touch the
noodle.
doll.
Where's the doll? All right.
Well done.
1.
Touch the watering can.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Calvin, can you say iPad?
Bye-bye, iPad.
He calls it a biped. Calvin, can you say iPad? Okay, thank you. Did you have fun?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye to the iPad. Calvin, say iPad. If you want it back, say iPad. Say its name. Say iPad. Woo!